In the past 7 days, Eleanor Reeves of Oregon made $9,722. Daniel Price of North Carolina made $10,289. And Randy Myers of Nebraska made $10,726. What do these three people have in common? Absolutely nothing, aside from the fact that they're all perfectly normal individuals who each use one single website to make incredible money online with minimal work each day. Absolutely anyone can use this website to make up to $500,000, but almost no one does. And the most crazy thing is that pretty much everybody has heard of this website and probably uses it on a regular basis. But yet very few people outside of the big corporations know how to utilize it for huge daily profits. Take a look at what I made last month. $42,084. And the month before that, $49,211. And the month before that, $45,003. And just to be clear, I don't have a background in online marketing. I have no college degrees to speak of, and I'm not doing anything illegal. I'm just an ordinary guy who uses one website to make thousands of dollars with ease. And thanks to this powerful site, you could be earning so much money that you'd never have to work again. All of your worries about debt and bills could soon be a thing of the past. Your only strenuous decisions from here on out could be where to go on your next vacation and which new car to buy.
I had no idea that ordinary people could make so much money using this website. All I needed was some straightforward guidance, and then making money was easy. Thanks to this ingenious system, I was set up in less than 30 minutes and then started making money that same day. By the end of my first week, I was more than $10,500 in profit, and so I spent the following week in Italy where I was still making money.
I've been using this website for just over 7 months. And in that time, I've made more than $300,000. The earning potential here is truly phenomenal. Now, I just moved my family into a beautiful 4-bedroom house, and now I've got my eye on a new Tesla. I still can't believe that this money-making website has been right under my nose the entire time, and I just didn't know how to use it. And thanks to this effective system, my whole life, it's changed.
So what is this life-changing website I'm talking about? Amazon. Unless you've been living under a rock, you've definitely heard of Amazon. Before I started using Amazon to generate thousands of dollars daily, I used it regularly as a customer, ordering kitchen appliances, smartphone accessories, books, and games for my kids. And perhaps you use it too. But now this huge household name is your ticket to success. Did you know that Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos is the richest man in the world? His net worth is a staggering $125 billion. Amazon generates hundreds of billions of dollars each year, with those numbers increasing every quarter. In 2017 alone, Amazon generated a whopping $178 billion. And now it's your turn to take a slice of that billion-dollar pie. The fact that you're still watching this video means that you're an intelligent, competent person who is looking to make a success of themselves. Because of that, there's a chance that you've already tried in the past to earn money as an Amazon affiliate, only to be left confused, frustrated, and ultimately disappointed, with not a single extra dollar in your pocket. But don't worry, the vast majority of people who try to go it alone end up failing, because they don't have the right method. I know, because I failed too, but honestly, it's not your fault. Without a bulletproof system, making money from Amazon is almost impossible, and that's why you need the system that I'm about to give you today. Welcome to the Amazon Code, a tried and tested secret system that can help absolutely anybody make up to $40,000 in Amazon commissions. And the best thing is that with my system, you can be up and running within just 30 minutes from now. If you've ever tried to get started on your own making money online, it no doubt took you days, if not weeks, of messing about with various accounts and complications before you got the ball rolling. Or maybe you even gave up completely. This is because, unless you're an expert, getting started as an affiliate is extremely complicated. But with the Amazon Code, absolutely everything is done for you. Just look at how much money I've made in the 2.5 years that I've been an Amazon affiliate. $2,145,809.33. And I made all of that from Amazon. But before I discovered how to use this powerful website to make my fortune, I was close to destitute. My name's Andrew Peterson, and I'm originally from a small town in Wisconsin. I come from pretty humble beginnings. My parents were good, honest, God-fearing people. My father was a laborer, and my mother a homemaker. And I'm the youngest of 5 siblings, so things were always pretty tight at home. There was always food on the table, but all of my clothes were hand-me-downs from my brothers and sometimes my sisters, and usually their clothes were from thrift stores. Our Christmases were more about family than gifts, and I never boarded a plane until I was 29 years old. After graduating high school, I started working at a nearby factory on the production line, and over the years I worked my way up to a managerial position. At 24, I married my high school girlfriend, and by the time I was 28, she'd given me a beautiful son and daughter. For several years I was happy with my lot. Sure, my job wasn't very exciting and didn't pay especially well, but I loved my family, and that's what really mattered. But then, over time, things started to change at work. Because of advancements in technology, tasks which were once performed by people could now be performed by machines. And in the long run, replacing people with machines would save the company money. So over the course of several months, many of the men who worked below me on the production line were laid off. One by one, I watched them go, and one by one, machines were brought in to replace them. And once laid off, these men had nowhere else to go. Rates of unemployment in our town were very high, and many families were devastated by these redundancies. Every day I hoped and prayed that my job would be safe. But then one day I was called into my boss's office. I was being replaced by someone who had experience overseeing and maintaining these machines. I was only experienced in managing people, and so I was no longer of use to the company. I felt my heart stop in that very moment, and I had no idea how I would break the news to my loving wife. I had no qualifications and no special skills to offer. I didn't know how I would continue to provide for my family. Finding a job in my town was almost impossible, so I had to be resourceful. I didn't want to look for work in another town, as that would mean moving away from my parents and taking my kids out of school. So I turned to the internet in the hope of finding some way to make money. For weeks I searched the web for any online work I could find. I had no idea about blogging, so that was out of the question. I wasn't a photographer, so I couldn't offer images for sale. I thought about selling some of our belongings on eBay. That was too much of a short-term solution. I even tried online surveys, but that venture proved to be very time-consuming and hardly profitable. I was at a loss. And then I saw something. I'd come across a post on a secret forum from a lady who claimed to have made $31,000 in just 3 weeks as an Amazon affiliate. At first I thought she was lying. There was no way that someone could make so much money from Amazon. Surely, if that were possible, everyone would be doing it. So I reached out to the lady and she showed me proof. Sure enough, $31,692.33 of Amazon affiliate sales in just 3 weeks. Couldn't believe it. I knew this was the answer to my prayers, so I jumped the gun, went straight over to Amazon, registered as an affiliate, and after several days, realized that I had no idea what I was doing. That's when I first discovered that getting started on Amazon is almost impossible if you have no experience. But that didn't put me off. I could see the money-making potential of this billion-dollar website. So I spent the next few weeks researching, educating myself, calling Amazon, and networking with affiliates. After 2 long months of dedication, I was finally set up. I put my system to work, logged out, then 24 hours later checked back into my account. And wow! In my first day of using my new system, I'd made $1,478.92 in Amazon commissions. The next day, I made $1,377.12. And the day after that, I made $1,839.03. I had finally found exactly what I was looking for, the system that I now call the Amazon Code. Because with this system, you can bypass the months of research and hard work and get started right away. In fact, when you access the Amazon Code right now, you can start making money right from day one. Because how it works is incredibly simple. You see, as an Amazon affiliate, you make commission on absolutely everything that is purchased through your affiliate link. Whether that's stationery, soft furnishing, children's toys, sporting equipment, guitars, or apps, you get a cut of absolutely everything that is sold. And you don't need to own any products or ship anything whatsoever. You'll just be the silent middleman who takes a cut of the profits. Someone online will sell a product to somebody else, and you take a commission from that sale. And as millions of products are sold on Amazon every single day, those commissions quickly add up. But now you're probably wondering, how do I get customers to buy products through my affiliate link? Which products make the most money? Do I need a website? Don't worry about any of that just yet. This is where you failed in the past. You get too caught up in the whats and hows with a few ifs and buts when all you really needed to make money was the right method. And the Amazon code is that method. When you have this unique tool at your disposal, there is absolutely nothing for you to worry about. With the Amazon code, making up to $500,000 annually from affiliate commissions could be as easy as tying your shoelaces.
I tried in the past to make money using Amazon, but had no idea where to start. After several failed attempts, I gave up entirely. But then I discovered the Amazon code and everything changed. I was set up right away and I started making money on day one. I'd only wish I'd discovered this system sooner. I'm now making more than $10,000 weekly and I've quit my job and can dedicate all of my time to my family.
For me, the best part about working with Amazon is that I can make money from anywhere in the world. I mean, for example, last week I was in Hong Kong, now I'm in Vietnam, and I'm still making more than $1,000 every single day. I mean, that's enough to pay for the 5-star hotel, the cocktails, now the private driver, and I've still got change left over. I mean, thanks to the Amazon code, I'm finally living my dream life.
Not one of those people had any prior experience in internet marketing before downloading the Amazon code. None of them had ever before been an affiliate of any company, and the vast majority of our customers came from a background of unskilled work. That's because you don't need any special skills or previous marketing experience to make money with the Amazon code, because the system takes care of everything for you. You'll be fully set up right away. Thanks to this incredible system, you could finally be able to live the life you've always dreamed of. Gone are the days of working double shifts just to get by. You can forget about the sound of your alarm clock piercing your soul each morning, followed by the sinking feeling in your stomach because it's time to get up for work. After today, your time is your own. No more working and living to someone else's schedule. No more 9 to 5, no more rush hour traffic, and no more taking abuse from your boss. In fact, you could make double in 1 month what most people make in a whole year. And what's really crazy is that I'm charging you next to nothing for full access to this system. That's because I've made it my life's mission to help ordinary people such as yourself to finally get ahead in life. I've figured out how to make my fortune and support my family, and I want to help you do the same. So I'm letting you download the Amazon code today for a one-time fee of just $37. That's all, for the tool that will completely transform your life. You could have made that money back within 30 minutes from now. And quite frankly, you shouldn't look at this purchase as you buying something. Rather, see it as an investment in your financial future. You can either cross off this page right now, go back to your mundane life of work, debt, and misery, or you can take action and invest in the system that is able to make you richer than you ever thought possible. But I know that for some people, when money is tight, even a small investment of $37 can seem like a lot. And so you want to be certain that you're going to make that money back, and more. So allow me to put your mind at ease. To sell the Amazon code system, I've teamed up with trusted internet retailer ClickBank so that you can be certain your purchase is secure. What's more, when you buy the Amazon code today, you'll be doing so with a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. What this means is that you get 2 whole months to try out my system. And if you're not 100% satisfied, I'll give you all of your money back. So you have absolutely nothing to lose here. This is a completely risk-free opportunity. And if you're at all concerned about what will happen after you sign up for the Amazon code, don't be, because as soon as you do, I'll be right there to guide you every step of the way. See me as your personal mentor. Whatever question you have, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, I'll be more than happy to help. Nothing means more to me than your success as an Amazon affiliate. But if you do wish to join me on a money-making journey up to $500,000, then you need to act quickly. Of course, I would love to help absolutely everyone with this, but that simply wouldn't work. The stability of the site would be seriously jeopardized if I were to make this system available to everybody. So if you want to secure your spot, then fill in your details right now. Take charge of your future and sign up now. Everything you've ever dreamed of could soon be yours if you make the smart decision in this moment. But hesitation could mean losing everything. Don't put this off for another second. Enter your details right now and change your life forever. I look forward to welcoming you on board.